When you have run your furniture business and now you can try to run Facebook ads campaign for sales your furniture on online. So in this video only for you, because in this video I can show you the step by step the proper setup about the Facebook sales campaign for furniture business, and what is the best targeted audience for you. I can actually show you. So let's start this video. I first of all I just create a new campaign here, and almost is basically the sales campaign, so I can use it. And now I can use the first of all use my campaign name here. So I just write the sales here, not lead. Okay, sales. And I can use the campaign budget optimization by CBO method campaign, and I don't use any kind of catalog. I just use the simple image or video, and my daily budget is $15 per day. I can use the CBO method campaign, so I can use it, and just click the next option, and I write my first ad set name, that is the interest based audience. So I can use it. So now that is, I select my website, and that is my conversion goals, the maximum number of conversion, my that is my pixel. I use the purchase. Now I can use my location and all over the targeting. So that is Australia. I can use the all over the Australia. So that is my targeted location all over the Australia, and I can use my maximum location targeted people of 25 years old, and the language is all, and I can use the original just location original audience, that is the audience, and I can use the targeted audience. So this is the very powerful audience. I can use it in this project, and I can get very good result here. So first of all I can use the rich people targeted, so frequently interested in international traveling people, so I can use it firstly. And now I can use the household income people, so definitely I can use very potential people here, and almost the customer also, this is very good customer is here, is come to. And now I can use the recently move. Okay, so recently move people interest, so buy some buy some furnitures and give some instance. So just use the business growth, make the it is not is a very good customer. I can use that these things, and the art and artillery interest based people, so I just use it. Now I can use the bed. Okay, I can use the home bed here, also use the bed sheet. I can use it the bed sheet. So this targeted is very much good, and if you need this targeted document file, you can just knock me on my WhatsApp. I can send you the PDF file. So I can use the next one. Okay, I can use it. Now I can use the home decor. Okay, that is the home decor interest people. Now I can use the home improvement home interior designer people. So these people are interest for home designer, and they can also buy some furniture for his home and for his house. And I can use the luxury lifestyle, so I can use it. Okay, luxury lifestyle also. So that is the whole interest is work is very much good. I can use the some things about this, and I can use the Jara home. So that is very good interest, because Jara is the brand, and because people the sound like better. And finally I can use the narrow audience, the online shopper behavior people. the online shopping related interest people, and the engaged shopper. So this was the Facebook match this kind of interest, and also match the hook and people engaged shopper and an online shopper related interest people. So I can use it, and now I can use my placement. So first of all I just select my placement, that is the 5 placement here, but more of this maximum of the things this placement are not working properly, because Facebook on interest interest based audience is very much good. So now I can use some placement here. I can use Facebook feed, Facebook profile feed, Instagram profile feed. Facebook marketing is not very good placement. Facebook video feed is very good placement. Facebook right column is not very good placement. Instagram export is not good placement. Instagram that is not very good placement. I can use business is not good, and now I can use the Instagram shorts, Facebook shorts stories, sorry, finish the reels, that is good. So and now that is the inside. I use the ad on Facebook reels, and that system is good. That is my placement is almost done. Now I can use my final things about the video ad ad section basically. So I can use the ad here. So I can use the ad and also use the single video. So I just select my website URL. So I just select it. So I can use my selected URL. And also I can use the UTM parameter or URL parameter, sorry. So the campaign source is Facebook and campaign media is paid, and I write my campaign name, that is not lead, that is sales. And finally I can use my ad name, the video ad 1. And now I don't use any kind of number. And I just use my creatives. So I can use any videos here. So basically I use, suppose this video is very much good performing videos, so I can use it. And finally I can use my primary text, headline or description. So I can use this primary text. There is a very short and powerful primary text here, and I can use also the headline. I can use this line for my headline section. That is my headline, and I just use the Facebook AI generated headline, so I can use it. And finally I can use a description for, I can use this line for my description. So that is some example here, not like that, you can use also like this. And finally I can use the shop now button here. So that is my shop now button, and my one ad set and one ad setup is almost done. Now I can use the multiple ad set here. So that is my first ad set, the name of interest based audience. Basically I target my furniture related interest people and the behavior people. Now I can use the custom audience, so I can just duplicate here, and now I can write the name, the custom audience. I can use the custom audience. So basically I don't use the interest based audience, so I can delete it, the interest based audience. I can delete the interest based audience, and that is the custom audience options. The custom audience include, so I can use the Facebook page audience, the Instagram page audience also. and that is my Facebook page audience. The Facebook and Instagram page video view 13 to 15 second 3 to 15 second last 6 months I can use it. And now I can use also the Facebook page Facebook is that is the message on Facebook page last 6 months I can use also it. And the Facebook post save last 6 months I can also use it. And I can use the Instagram page also, so I can use Instagram all audience last 6 months, and also use the Instagram, that is the both Instagram or Facebook page video view last 6 months 15 to 95 seconds, sorry 95%. Okay, and I can use also the engage on my Instagram, at least I can use it. Okay, so I can use the Facebook page audience and Instagram page audience, and my targeted age or targeted location, targeted gender is almost same, the all gender I can use. And finally I can use the another ad set here that is called the blank audience, using the all audience because I don't set up any kind of targeted location but targeted audience here, because I can definitely use the Facebook AI also, so I can just release my campaign for Facebook's so I don't use any kind of targeting. Okay, so I can use 3 ad set and 3 ad. First of all, I use my interest based audience, people who interest to buy some furniture for his home, for his home. And secondly I can use the custom audience, my Instagram page audience and my Facebook page audience last 6 months. And also I can use the Facebook AI audience, because I properly work in this project last 2 months, and Facebook almost know that what is the targeted audience for my project, for my that is customer, and for my the furniture project customer. So Facebook know that, so I can use the all audience, I don't targeting any kind of things. And now I can just publish it, my campaign almost publish it. So that is the proper setup how to run your Facebook ads campaign for your furniture business, and you can get the more sales. So you can follow this method. I hope you can understand the properly better, and you have any question you just knock my WhatsApp and my Facebook messenger. So I hope you can understand. So thank you.